Hold up. Anyways, hi guys, it's me, Flamingo. But we're gonna be doing a little fireworks show today. I'm in a private server so no one can ruin it. I'm actually happy. I love being VIP. I'll use hot shot. I support this game so much. I spent a good amount of Robux on it already. And I'm a beta tester. So, that just makes it better. Yep, I have everything besides these. I'll show you what I own real quick. I own everything but loadout, upgraded, and free cam. I'm happy. Alright, let's go make this. Oh, there. I need to place another one. I do this because I love videos. Anyways. Alright. This is on channel 1. There we go. Alright, next. Oh my god, I almost forgot. Two. I'll add this in. I love that. I'll add this in. And bam. Alright. Change it to channel 3. I'm just letting y'all watch me because that's so you know what I'm placing down. I placed down some of the same fireworks just to make it look cool. I'm probably the only person that does that though. Oh, give me this. Place that. Place this. I never placed that, so we're gonna place that. Place this. Place this. Place this. Place this. Place this. Place that. Place that. Place that. Place that. Place that. Play that, that. Perfect. I'm staying way back here, so y'all should be able to.